नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग। आज ब्लू कलर पहनने का मन लगा तो ब्लू कलर ड्रेस पहने और मुझे लगा कि ब्लू कलर क्रिस्टल के बारे में आज बताना चाहिए। आप सब जानते हैं कि ब्लू का मतलब होता है कामनेस। ब्लू का कलर बताने से आपको कौन सी चीज़ें याद आते हैं? You will be remembering the blue sky, the blue water, blue lake। जो भी वाटर का फॉर्म है पूरा ब्लू है और स्काई को भी हम लोग ब्लू ही हम देखते हैं। तो ब्लू इज़ रिलेटेड टू कामनेस एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी। ब्लू इज़ ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू पीस एंड हीलिंग। सो आज today I am going to talk about a crystal which is well known for psychic powers as well as improving our concentration and also helps in healing, forgiveness, healing, past trauma healing, emotional freedom. The crystal I am going to talk about is lapis lazuli. आप देख सकते, you can see this beautiful crystal. This is made up of tumble stones, lapis lazuli. So when you go to astrologers and if you are having issues with Rahu, Ketu and Shani, they will surely tell you to wear the lapis lazuli bracelet. Now what are the benefits of wearing lapis lazuli bracelet? Or you can wear it in the pendant form or in a ring form. If you are wearing in a ring form, you must use it as a silver ring, and most astrologers will be telling you to wear it on a Saturday because it helps to reduce the malefic effects of Lord Shani, and also since the color is related to Rahu and Ketu, it's also good for reducing the malefic effects of Rahu, Ketu planets as well as Shani planets. So let us talk about what other benefits are for the lapis lazuli. Blue is also related to communication, which means throat chakra and ajna chakra. These two chakras, if they are unbalanced or imbalanced, it can cause several problems. Those who are affected with, who are having an imbalanced throat chakra may find it difficult to talk or express their views, and especially good coaches, good mentors, good public speakers have a good throat chakra, a balanced throat chakra. And ajna chakra is related to our psychic powers, our intuition, and how we can have the wisdom. So for improving or balancing the throat chakra as well as the ajna chakra, lapis lazuli is such a beautiful crystal that you can start wearing. Now, how to use this lapis lazuli crystal? So since the lapis lazuli is also related to the throat chakra, those who are having respiratory issues or any issues, health issues related to your throat, cold, cough, or somebody who's having repeated issues with the respiratory system, lapis lazuli is a crystal which they can choose to wear. Also, somebody who's suffering from insomnia, depression, or anything related to the ajna chakra, they should wear the lapis lazuli. Now, how to wear the lapis lazuli? You can just wash it under the tap water, and you can keep it in your left hand, cover with your right hand, and imagine or visualize God's or Creator's white light falling on it and cleansing it. And you can give the intention whatever you want to. If you want a psychic power, in the improvement in psychic power, if you want to have clarity in several things, or if it is the expressive powers, you are unable to express things and you want to express things to the outward world, or improve your communication, you can give the intention to the lapis lazuli crystal and start wearing it. The same thing with the pendant or the ring. So do inculcate this beautiful crystal into your lives and see how your expressions can be improved, how your communication can be improved. And this is also a very good crystal for the students. Those students who are unable to wear the crystal because most schools don't allow this bracelets, pendants, or any rings. So for them, you can keep a blue colored a lapis lazuli pyramid on their study table to improve their concentration. Also, they'll be able to improve their communication. Lapis lazuli is also the best crystal for budding coaches, budding healers, mentors, trainers, and those who are in the coaching or the motivational field, as well as in the training field. So do try out this beautiful crystal into your lives and see the difference. Do not forget to comment in the subscription box. Thank you. Have a blessed day.